All right, Mikkel, we're going to start our blind taste test challenge so you can identify what you're eating once more. This is what he's going to eat.
I'm pulling the blindfold down.
Okay, and then we're starting off with the first one. All right, open wide. It's kind of tricky when you're blindfolded because your mind play tricks on you.
Is
What?
this Hershey chocolate ice cream? Chocolate chips?
No.
No. I feel like there's some type of chocolate chips, like cinnamon chocolate chips or something.
Ding.
Ah! No, I know.
Okay, open. All the way. Go ahead and chew it. Think about the flavor. What is it? When you're blindfolded, your eyes tend to play tricks on your taste. The senses. What would you say that is?
It tastes like those Hershey's.
It tastes
Is
like...
this part of a Be Ready?
No. All right, moving on to our next subject.
I don't trust you.
Here's the next one. Open. See if you can guess the flavor of that. It's crunchy. Chew it up. Those senses are playing tricks on him right now because he can't see what he's eating. He can only taste the flavors. What do you taste?
A Dewey's cookie, peanut butter.
Ding! Okay, he knows these senses. Here we go, our next one. Everything has a texture. It's crunchy. Those senses are going crazy right now. What is it?
Wait! It's that chocolate popcorn you have.
Ding! Close enough. Okay, open wide for this one. I gotta put...
Hershey chocolate chips.
Ding ding. Okay, here we go. Open wide. Wide. Oh no, we have to eat it, buddy. What is it? What is it, buddy? We have to eat it. Oh, I guess his senses couldn't take that one. Are you able to tell us what it is, at least?
A mustard Dorito.
Oh. Well, it looks like he failed the challenge. Maybe next time.
You know any more?
We got one more.
Oh my god. You better not give me that Dorito again.
Last one.
Oh my bad. I can call them. It's those BBQ ruffles with that are spicy.
Ding. All right, guys. Look like he couldn't hold up the challenge for that honey mustard Dorito. I'm gonna show you what it looks like here. Yeah. Oh, I don't want to waste them. You guys, give these a try.
Which ones did I get wrong?